Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this look that it's like a half cut crease and then it has a wing eyeliner. I really like this look. I will leave all the products down in the description box that I used in today's video. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's get started. Okay, so I already primed my eyes and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Modern Renaissance palette from the Anastasia. It's pretty beat up. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this small blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two and apply that in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the two brown and just, I'm not gonna take it all the way to my outer corner because it's just going to be a half cut crease. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the CATRICE palette, and I'm just gonna be going back and forth with this one. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna be using those two browns from the Anastasia palette and the CATRICE palette. I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm gonna go back and forth with the same CATRICE palette with this darker brown and the dark brown from the Anastasia, which is called Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner. Like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna take it all the way to the outer corners. I'm just going to be blending back and forth in the inner corner. Okay, now for cutting the crease, I'm going to use this thin small brush and some concealer. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and set that with the white. I'm not gonna apply any color on the lid. I'm just gonna set that. And that's kind of like a half cut crease. Put some tape. And I'm just gonna put it so it kind of matches with the end of my brow. For the eyeliner part, I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the dark brown from the Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to apply it here. I'm not gonna go all the way towards like my brow. And then with the same eyebrow brush, I'm just going to pack the color. I'm gonna pack the color on my lash. Like this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay, so I think I'm done with this eyeliner. Okay, so I think I'm done with this eye. I know it looks a little bit weird, but once I apply the lashes and foundation, okay. So now I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna do the same to the other side, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This one's more like it's more up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and then I'll show you guys what I do on the bottom lash line and the lashes I put on. So for the lashes, I'm gonna be using these lashes that I bought from Amazon. It came in like, what was it, a 5-pack, and it was like $4. I am gonna be leaving the link down in the description just in case you guys wanna go ahead and check that out. I also ordered another pack of lashes, but those I didn't really like. I prefer these. Actually, this one, I don't know, it's just, these are more flexible and they're easier to put on. So the bottom lashes, I'm going to use this brown one on the bottom lash. And then also with that dark brown from the Anastasia palette. Okay, and then for the inner corner, and for the inner highlighter, and for the inner highlight, I'm gonna use that pink champagne color. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a telescopic from L'Oreal and the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Okay, and for the lips, I'm going to be using 3 different products. I'm going to be using this lip liner from Rival of Me, this L'Oreal, super like nude color, and this liquid lipstick from ColourPop. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm also going to kind of line out my lips with the ColourPop liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna follow that. Okay. I know it looks kind of crazy, but I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal, and it's like a super nude brown, and blend it and use my finger to kind of blend out the lip liner and the brown liquid. You guys really enjoyed this look. I like how it came out. I don't know, I really like this. I would totally wear this out just like on a regular day. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys on my next video.